Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing ADB and permissions so you can access app data. Connect the device and enable USB debugging. Make sure you own the device or have explicit permission. Install platform tools, then run a DB devices to confirm a connection. If the target app is debuggable use, run as. Otherwise, you need root access or a user debug build. Once done, grant ADB shell access, because without the correct privileges, you cannot list or read the /data/data app folders. So verify credentials now. Now you access the data folder using ADB shell commands that match your privilege level. If the app is debuggable, run as com. Example: app gives you its UID, then list files with lsla and inspect databases or files. To pull complex directories, create a tar inside shell and exit, then a DB pull that tar to your machine. If the device is rooted instead, switch to sudo bypass permissions and copy the folder to /SD card before pulling. Make sure to preserve file modes when extracting. Finish by pulling and validating the files so you can inspect content safely. Run a DB pull on the tar or copied files and extract them on your computer. Then check ownership and permissions and use a SQLite 3 or a text editor for databases and prefs. If you encounter permission denied, recheck that a DB is authorized on the device, that the app is marked debuggable, or that you truly have root. If run as fails, the only remaining legal way is root or a debug build. Verify those before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.